If you're watching this video, then it means WhatsApp has banned your line and you're looking for a way to recover it. So in my video today, I'm going to explain everything you need to know, the step-by-step process on how you can unban your WhatsApp in 2024. Yes. Also in this video, I will also explain every other thing to know surrounding this your WhatsApp ban. Even understanding why WhatsApp will ban you, because if you don't understand why WhatsApp is banning you, this will keep on happening over and over and over again. And also, I'll also tell you how to unban it and also how to avoid this ban in the future. Okay, so all this I'll be explaining. And for that reason, I'm going to be creating a timestamp on this video so that you can just jump on to any part of the video you want to watch specifically and go straight to the point in watching it. Okay, but I advise you to watch the videos from the beginning to the end so that you get to understand fully on how all this works. And trust me, I won't make this video so long so it's not going to bore you out. Okay, so now let me jump right into the very first step. But before that, guys, I want you guys kindly give you a thumbs up if you like the information about today from me. And also, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay? So now the very first I'm going to be talking about is understanding why WhatsApp bans you. Yes. Like I said, if you don't know why WhatsApp bans you, they can keep on banning you over and over again. At the end of the day, they'll permanently ban your line and you cannot even longer recover or retrieve it. So now the very first thing, understanding why WhatsApp bans you is, if you are spamming people, WhatsApp is going to ban you. For example, you are spamming people who are not your contact list, sending them messages, sending them links. Those people can report you and thereby making WhatsApp ban you. Yes, a lot of people report your WhatsApp number. Trust me, your number is going to get banned. So stop spamming people with links. Stop spamming people with broadcast messages. It is not nice. Yes, most time I wake up in the morning, I see people who are not in my contact list. They forward me all sorts of links to watch and all. I just get angry. But no, I don't report to them. I just like, why are these people sending me this? I'm sure some other people will click on the report button immediately so that, they will stop getting a message from you. This will make WhatsApp ban you. That's the very first one. Now, the second one is adding people to a group. Adding people who are not in your contact list to a group. Just creating a group and adding everybody on your own contact list to a group. It's annoying and also it's going to make WhatsApp find your number if you keep on doing that. Now, the last one, which is so obvious, is using the unofficial WhatsApp, which is if you're using the GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, U WhatsApp, WhatsApp is going to ban you. And I know most people have gotten this issue whereby WhatsApp banned their line because they're using the unofficial WhatsApp. It happened, was it last month, where it was, a massive ban of a lot of people. Almost everybody using WhatsApp got banned. And I'm shouting these days, stop using unofficial WhatsApp. I know that the features are cool, but guys, is it worth losing your WhatsApp account? But don't worry, on this video, all this I'm going to show you how to resolve every one of them. Okay, so now the next I'm going to talk about right now is the types of WhatsApp ban and how to unban all of them. Yes, if you don't know, there are different types of WhatsApp ban and there are different ways you can resolve them. So the very first one is the timed WhatsApp ban. If you've noticed, there are some people that get this timed WhatsApp ban. WhatsApp gives them 48 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours ban, and after the countdown is over, your WhatsApp is unbanned. So that one, you don't need to do anything about it. Just wait out those hours, no matter how long it is. Then WhatsApp is going to automatically uplift that ban from your own WhatsApp account. Okay. Now, the second one is you are permanently banned, but you can request a review. So now, if you're permanently banned, but you can see an option where you can request a review, all you need to do is you click on that request review. Yes. When you click on that request a review, then it's going to take you to a WhatsApp place where you can message your WhatsApp themselves. So once you're there, you just fill in your details where it is needed, put in that your banned WhatsApp number, put in your email again, and now send them a message. We are going to explain what the problem is. You can tell them that yes, your WhatsApp was maybe mistakenly banned. You're following WhatsApp policies instead of using your WhatsApp. If they could please help you unban your WhatsApp because it's very, it's useful to you. And you cannot, lose this WhatsApp account because of how important this WhatsApp account is to you. So once you write this message to them, you should submit the review and they're going to look through it. Yes, if human beings around, it's going to look through it because initially it may be that it's the bot that got your WhatsApp ban, So once you send a review, a human will now go through that message and will most likely uplift that ban if truly you are following through this WhatsApp terms and conditions. But you also need to check your mail to see the message you're going to send because that's why they ask to put in your mail twice over there. To put in your mail because they're also going to send you a mail and they're going to unban you or even if they're going to still leave the ban and tell you the reasons why. Now the third type of ban is, currently banned on WhatsApp but you cannot request a review. So when you see this kind of thing, you're wondering what can you do? Then what you need to do is to go to WhatsApp official page. Yes. So just follow this process on this screen right now to see how you can unban this particular type of WhatsApp ban. So now the very first thing to do is to go to your browser, be it Safari, Chrome, or Bamini, whatever browser in the case of. Once you go there, click on web.whatsapp.com. Click on it. So now once it has loaded up, you click on this three icon over here. Click on this three icon, then go to Help Center. So once you're in Help Center, scroll up, then go to Contact Us. Okay, once you're in Contact Us over here, now you need to choose which WhatsApp are you using. Is it WhatsApp Business or is it normal WhatsApp? If you're using Business WhatsApp, it says WhatsApp Business Support. You click on it. If you're using WhatsApp Messenger Support, there's normal WhatsApp. You click on it. So I'm using normal WhatsApp. I click on WhatsApp here, Contact Us. Then once I'm here, what do I do? Now, before I tell you what you need to do, because guys, this is an important part when it comes to unbanning WhatsApp. All you need to do is give this video a thumbs up, and go to the comment section and comment how to unban your WhatsApp so that it can trigger the algorithm for people who are searching for this information so they can get to it immediately. How to unban your WhatsApp and give it a thumbs up. If you've done that, guys, let's continue. So now you need to put, it says, please provide the phone number you use for your WhatsApp account. That's the affected number. You need to put it there and choose your country code by putting the affected WhatsApp number. So once you've done that, you now need to add your email address 2 times. You need to add that email address twice. Okay, so once you've put it, because you are chatting the WhatsApp support team, you are asking for their support. So which means they're going to email you back if they're going to unban it, or even if you want to unban it, they will also send you a mail. All right, so now once you've gotten here, you choose how to use WhatsApp. Is it an Android, iPhone, web and desktop, iOS, or others? Once you repeat it now, you can comment to the main point right here. Click on it, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to explain to them what you're facing. Explain to them what you're facing. So click, hello, good day. My WhatsApp account was banned by mistake. Can you please help me look into it? This is the affected number. Then I have to now input that affected WhatsApp number again. Just put it there and ensure you start with the country code. Your country code was 234. Then your number. Do you understand? You click on next step. So what you're going to do is going to send it to them, and automatically within 24 to 38 hours they're going to unban it. And if they don't unban it, they will send you a mail. Okay, they're going to send you a mail. So either way, your WhatsApp is going to get unbanned. Once you follow this process, you're going to get your WhatsApp accounts back. Also, these accounts cannot use WhatsApp. This is also another type of ban on WhatsApp. When you get this on your WhatsApp, all you need to do is also to follow the process in the previous one where I talked about, going to WhatsApp official page and, putting your details and every other thing. Follow through that process and you're going to get that one resolved also. All right. Then the last one, which is frequently banned WhatsApp. Now, if you notice that every single time you ban your WhatsApp bans you for no reason, then you need to understand that WhatsApp has flagged your IP address. Yes, they flag your device. So no matter how you unban your WhatsApp, they will keep on banning that WhatsApp, keep on banning that WhatsApp over and over again because your IP has been flagged. So what I'm going to advise you to do is that your WhatsApp, try to use it on that phone. Try and get another phone or switch your WhatsApp number to another number so that another device, so that it's going to be free from this frequently banned WhatsApp. Okay, now that I've explained the types of WhatsApp ban and how to resolve it, the last thing on my list here to tell you guys is how to avoid WhatsApp ban. Now, I'm going to be referring back to this frequently WhatsApp ban. Before Android 12, or WhatsApp and Facebook knows the type of app or the number of app you have on your smartphone. Yes, it was Android 12 that Google had to update their system to avoid other apps knowing the kind of apps you have. So what it means is if you're still using Android 10, Android 9, Android 8, who knows, it means, and you have this maybe unofficial WhatsApp on your phone, WhatsApp is going to note it and they'll make them ban you because they know, oh, this person is using an unofficial WhatsApp and they get to ban you. So to avoid this, you need to first of all update your Android version to at least Android 12. Yes, Android 12, so that your device can be secured fully from all those WhatsApp prying eyes. Okay. And the second thing you need to do when you want to avoid the WhatsApp ban is, guys, stop making use of unofficial WhatsApp. I know that the features are cool. They don't have those features on WhatsApp, but is it worth losing your WhatsApp? If you keep on doing this, WhatsApp may permanently ban your number. Like you can't even request a review no matter what you do. And that number is gone for good. Imagine losing your number you've been using for years just because you want to get a specific feature. And then guys, from the look of things, WhatsApp is now making up more updates on this their present, WhatsApp, lots of updates which are nice. You can even now post over 1 minute video in your status. You can just do other things which the GB WhatsApp is also doing. So along the line, they're bringing in more updates that is also going to make this your normal WhatsApp as fun as the GB WhatsApp. So I don't see any need why you have to keep on using that official WhatsApp that can get you permanently banned. Okay, so this is how we can resolve all this process and how we can avoid getting banned on WhatsApp later on in the future. Okay, so if you got to this point in the very video, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you have not done that by now, and do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon, because I'm sure that this my video has given you the knowledge on how to unban your WhatsApp. Yes, it has made you knowledgeable on why WhatsApp bans you and how to even avoid WhatsApp ban in the future. So that is the only way I can say thank you. And also let me know in the comment section if this method worked for you. And if it did, I'm very glad, because I know one of what this method is going to work for you depending on why WhatsApp banned you or the type of ban you were given. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video as we discover more ways we can solve our social media problems. See you guys.